strong.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to the channel. In this quick car accessory mod video, I'm gonna show you guys certain accessories which you will definitely need if you have bought a new car. Now these accessories are not just gonna save your car from the wear and tear that usually happens when you sit inside the cabin, but will also make sure that the space you get in your car gets more organized. So in short, you're gonna get space for more things. So I recently got myself a new car, that's Hyundai SantaFe, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, there is scope to add some accessories to this car and also to safeguard the things that I've got with the car. So without wasting any time, I did some research and I got 3 good accessories which are really helpful. Now I'm very excited to open them and see how they perform and share the experience with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's quickly go and look at it one by one. One thing which is pretty common in all the new cars out there is the big touch panel that they provide, and also the touch panel that they provide in the center of the console. Now, not all the cars have this panel, but they definitely have this big touch screen. And as you touch the screen, there are fingerprint marks that come on the screen. And also, sometimes when you're wearing ring or something, there are very high chances that one might scratch this screen, and definitely it is gonna be very difficult and costly to replace this one. So to protect these screens, we should put a screen protector. So I got this premium tempered glass mod, specially made for Hyundai SantaFe 2024 and future models from Amazon. Let's quickly unbox this and let me show you what all you get inside the box. So you get the screen protectors, the instruction manual, and also the alcohol pads for the prep. So pretty standard. So there's a surprise over here. I thought that I'll get 2 tempered glasses, one for the panel and one for the screen, but they have actually given me 2 sets. Now, and there is one thing extra. This is this tempered glass for the fingerprint area. So there's a fingerprint area separately on the left hand side of the screen. So there's a glass protector screen for that too. So this is the main one which will cover your entire screen. I've seen some ones which are divided into 2. I really didn't like that. And this is the one which is for your console panel. So yeah, they have provided all the stickers and markings over here, pretty standard with all the scratch guards or tempered glass that you guys get for mobile phone screens as well. So let me quickly install this one. So the installation is done and I really don't see any visible difference between before and after, between before putting this scratch guard, but what I really see is more reflection. So as you guys can see, I'm more clearly visible in the video. So yeah, there will definitely be more glare, more reflections, but it will save your screen and your panel from all the unnecessary scratches. So yeah, it does come with a caveat, but I think it's still worth it. The next accessory mod is to get more organized inside the car cabin. Hyundai, like most of the cars out there, have this separator space in the middle, and it comes with a big storage compartment. But if you see the storage compartment, it has height, but it doesn't have a lot of places to keep small stuff. You cannot keep your coins, you cannot put the rest of the stuff like goggles and all those things. So I got this bespoke box which fits in right into the place. So it has space for coins, it has 3 other compartments, 2 small and 1 big, and it comes with this soft pads. So you can take it out and clean this. So I think it fits in properly over here. Now all I'm worried about is the noise which the plastic might make So I'll use this and I'll drive with this on and see if that's an issue. So all in all, this makes your storage space more organized and make you do most out of the space that is provided in the car. So yeah, a good addition, I believe. One thing that has really eaten my time in the past is cleaning the back of the car seats after taking the luggage out. So whenever the luggage is dirty, all the dirt sticks to this cloth part of the back of the car seat. So I was looking for something which I could install over here and I could wipe out like a blanket or something that I could take out, but it should look sleek. I found exactly what I wanted and it came in this box. Now this is very big for the video. I need to open this box, and what it basically is the bespoke tailor-made cover for the back of the car seats. So I'm really excited about it. Let me put it and see how it looks like. This is the trunk mat, which is specially designed for Hyundai SantaFe. It has the cover for the back seat of the car, and it is made up of some plastic and rubber kind of material, I believe, of which the all-season mats are made of. It has Velcro at the back so that it can fit in properly, and it also has space for the handle and for the baby seat. So I think this is really cool. So I'll install it and show you guys how it looks like. And I think one thing what I really like is the feel. So yeah. This fits in perfectly. You can actually see from my smile how happy I am with this accessory. This not only makes the car look good, but also will do all the necessary protection. And it was very easy to install. I thought there might be some screws or something or clips or something like that, but no. I think the Velcro really makes the job very easy. And in case you don't want it, you can just take it right off. And it fits in so well. Let me actually show you guys the fit. One thing which I really like is that it covers the entire part. I wish there should have been some Velcro on this side, but it's alright. I think it will get into the shape. Now a bonus accessory. So the key that I got from Hyundai is the silver plated key, which can easily get scratched. It doesn't have any leather cover, which I think they should have provided. So again, I did some research and I got this. Now this is the most beautiful packing of some product that I've seen in recent times. This is basically the cover, first a thank you note for the key fob. Now I'm really excited to open this, and I think this is really cool. They have provided a screwdriver, and there's this again band that you have got. I'm really excited to open this. So let me quickly open this and put it on the key and then show you how the key looks like. So I've installed the cover, and trust me, this looks super amazing. Just look at this. It is so neat and it is actually heavy. You know, it has increased the weight of the key. I really don't like light keys, but unfortunately that's what I got with Hyundai SantaFe. But you know, this has really increased the weight of the key, and I really like the feel of this one. It feels very good to hold this. And also, you know, if you see, all the button impressions over here are clearly expressed or embossed, I'll say, and it's very easy to press the button. There is no I'll say, you know, any extra effort that I need to do. So yeah, all in all, super amazing product. I really recommend you this one in case if you have bought Hyundai SantaFe 2024 and above models. So this brand also sells the key fob covers for other cars as well. So I'll definitely recommend you guys to go to their store and check the other designs as well. And this is a find, trust me, it is worth every penny spent. So definitely check this out. Trust me, you will like it. And I'm telling this again and again, this is not a brand promotion that I'm doing by some paid endorsement or something, but this is really a good find. So I hope you all love the mod and you will definitely do them in case you have Santa Fe 2024. But even if you don't have Santa Fe 2024, I think you should definitely have the screen protectors and also this back seat and the trunk protector in your car. Thank you for all your support and all your views on the other videos. For more such mods, definitely check my other videos as well. And with something new, let me see you guys next time. Till then, take care, have fun, peace out, stay safe, people.